Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to enable Grammarly keyboard. To enable the Grammarly keyboard on a device, follow these steps. First of all, open up App Store in the device and search for Grammarly keyboard and tap on Install button. After the installation is complete, open the application and sign in to your Grammarly account or create a new one if you need it. You will get a prompt to enable it. You can also go to your settings application and click on general. After that, scroll down and click on keyboard and then again click on keyboards. Here you will find Grammarly. Tap on it to enable it, and you also need to toggle the switch where it says allow full access. After that, open any application with a text field like message or mail. Tap and hold on the globe icon which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then choose Grammarly from the list. Once enabled, Grammarly keyboard will give you grammar, spelling and style suggestion as you type across applications. So that is how you can enable Grammarly keyboard. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.